Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to another 143 scale video. And today we have another Fast and Furious car. This one's made by DeAgostini. This is the Chevrolet Camaro Z28. It's the off-road Camaro that was sort of jumped out from the plane, and the driver was Roman Pierce. My actually second most favorite character from the movie, because I think he's just hilarious. Um, yeah, uh, this was the plane scene. I think that was in the seventh movie, if I'm not mistaken. Um, so he was just basically he was the last one with his off-road car in the plane. He didn't want to jump out, and then forgot the guy's name. Basically, one of the characters opened the chute instead of him, and he just pulled him out of the plane, and he basically landed somewhere else that wasn't supposed to, but eventually he came into the action with everybody else. So, yeah, let's get this guy out of the acrylic case. So you can see these like things on the top. Those are the places where I think the chute was holding the car while it was going down the from the plane. Eventually, those just lets go. The car just drops down, just because of the suspension, just lands very nicely on the road and just drives away. Love that scene with this car. I thought this was something super amazing. I wish I can find the off-road charger. I haven't checked like what this line has even. Should actually I will probably after this video will search up the entire line of the Fast and Furious, and I'll see what cars I want to find from this line. So yeah, let me get this thing off the base. Oh no, it has two of these annoying triangle screws. Okay, let me get them all. Get this guy off of it, and I'll be right back. Okay, it took me longer than I thought because one of the screws opened instantly. The other one was such a struggle. At least this time I didn't break the platform in half, but I almost broke my screwdriver. But everything is fine. The model is off and out. It was stupidly annoying. So now I can really need to get those triangle screwdrivers for myself. It's just stupid. So plastic base, rubber tires. I think I need slight adjustment on one of the wheels. Just in which direction? Can't quite tell through the camera. Yeah, mostly fine. So I did notice a small issue with this, as you can see on the side there. I think that's like some glue or whatever underneath the mirror. I don't know, I can feel the texture, so I'm not fully sure if it's glue or whatever that is. I don't want to rip the paint off, so I'm not gonna do anything about it. I'm just gonna leave it because there's nothing on this side, so I don't know. But overall, the Camaro itself looks phenomenal. It looks like it has an opening hood, but it does not. It's just a separate piece. As you can see, it has those hook spots on the hood and on the roof. In reality, I don't think I would put them on the hood. Like on the hood, I would have put them somewhere on the side of the fenders, because imagine like when it gets like when the chute shoots out, it will just rip the car. So the roof line's fine, but the hood just got like ripped off. Like I don't know if that's a good choice there. I have no idea whether these are there's supposed to be like pins or something in the back. Not fully sure. Probably because there's supposed to be like pins in the front also. You can see them. They're not painted, sadly. You got this very basic front. There's no grill or whatever in there. It's just like 2 front headlights, and that's it. Same goes for the back, but this one has everything fully detailed for the back, so it just has this safety bar for the back. We have these very chunky off-road tires. Has cutout fenders, so you can fit these chunky chunkers there. Got your racing bucket seats in there. There is a safety what do you call it, the roll cage in there, but it's only for the back side, so it's not for the front. So if this car gets squished from this front, it will get squished like right where the driver is. So don't know if that's a good choice for safety. Yeah, I forgot what was this. Why is there like a, it looked like a, I don't know, like a safety hatch for some reason. I have no idea what that is for. But yeah, overall the model looks fine. Not the highest quality, but I believe there's nobody else out there who makes this in 143 scale. I doubt there's a 118 scale. Really doubt that, unless somebody has custom made it. And I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. There is definitely a 164 by Hot Wheels. I actually did have it, but I sold it away. And oh my god, the weather outside is crazy. We have the craziest wind outside. I'm actually surprised I still have electricity at this point. I'm a bit scared about my new car I bought though. Okay. But yeah. There you have it, guys. Roll test. Did I do a roll test? Probably not. You can hear some sounds. It does roll, but where's the sound coming from? Get something from the back. Probably these parts that are holding like the something for the insides in place. So I think they're called spacers. But yeah, it does roll very nicely. So very cool. Like that. So hope you guys liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.